Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery and another video of our Gardening Explained little mini series, your questions asked. We get so many questions that we wanted to put them all together and make a few videos about the answers to them. And this one's deadheading. We've done a really good 5-minute Friday video on how to deadhead, but this is just what deadheading is. Basically what it is your flowers, especially with things like annuals, will start going off and we deadhead it. We snap the flower off, as simple as that. That's what deadheading is. You'll see it written everywhere, especially with things like roses, with geraniums, with your hanging baskets, and it really does help the plant continue to bloom. So deadheading is literally just taking the dead heads off. Simple. If you've got any questions at all, get in contact, we're here to help.